Another great feature we've tied into this equipment pad is the switch for the lights. Now, most lights use just a standard switch, but this has a knob that you can dial in. You can put this in your pool house if you have a covered area, or you can even use an outside box if you want to just go ahead and put this outside. This is a great switch for controlling LED lights that Hayward makes. I love it. You simply turn whichever color you want it to be on. So you can see I'm doing blue. And I've got teal, and I've got green, dark green, kind of a light blue, red, purple, pink, yellow. There's all kinds of different colors. This is actually a light show where it's going to flash between a yellow and purple and just various colors, and you've got different light shows built in. Whenever you pick a color that you'd like to settle on, simply push in on the knob, and now the lights in the pool will change to that color, and you can see that on the little screen right above, so that's great. Let's change the color. Let's go to green. We push in on green, and now the lights in the pool are green. And you can put this in your pool house or even in your home, and you don't have to actually see the pool to know what color the light is on, or you can get an outside box and have it set outside.